Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows Protected Your PC Smart Screen warning in Windows. The first method is to unblock the specific file. Open File Explorer and find the file that is showing the warning. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab and scroll down. At the bottom, you may see a security section with a message saying the file came from another computer. Tick the box that says Unblock. After that, click Apply and then OK. Now try opening the file again, and the warning should no longer appear. The second method is to turn off SmartScreen protection. Click the Start menu and search for Windows Security, then open it. Go to App and Browser Control. Under Reputation-Based Protection, click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. You will see an option called Check Apps and Files. Turn this option off to stop the warning messages from appearing in the future. Keep in mind this reduces protection, so only do this if you are sure about the files you are running. That is how you can fix the Windows Protected Your PC Smart Screen warning using simple steps. Thanks for watching.